Hey there, I'm Jody, the creator of this yoga planner Notion template, and I just wanted to give you a quick preview of what you will get within this template when you buy it. So on this is the homepage, and on the left there are some navigation links to the different pages. On the right there are some journal prompts to help you set an intentional yoga practice. And below that is a motivation board just to put in some pictures to help motivate you to stay on track with your yoga practice and classes. Below that are some bonus icons I just included and created here just for fun because they're so cute. And below that there are two videos embedded. One is a detailed tutorial of how to use all the pages and databases in this template. And then on the right, it's another shorter tutorial about how to create quickly a schedule database that includes a row for every day of the year, because there is a database within here that has a row for every day of the year. So we'll look at the yoga library first. This page is where you will save all of your yoga workouts and classes. So here we'll have classes by categories, and you can view them by type. Is it a cool down, a warm up? Is it Ashtanga, Hatha, hot yoga, etc.? You can view them by length. Here you can view them by purpose. For example, is it meant for flexibility? Is the class for mental health? Is it strengthening for weight loss, balance, etc.? And you can also view by body part. So if a class is focused on a specific body part, so you'll see there's a lot of classes under full body because a lot of them are full body. But if a class is, again, focused on a certain body part, you can categorize it that way. You can also view it by intensity. So you can rank the intensity of the class on a scale of 1 to 5 here. Same with the rating overall. So your overall enjoyment of the class, you can rank on a scale of 1 to 5 and view it like that. And then if you scroll down, this is just a place to store classes you have not done yet. So it's new classes to try. And you can set up different categories such as flows, yin, restorative, ashtanga, power yoga, and vinyasa I've set up. Below each one, there is a template button to add a new class. So you just do that, paste the link in here if it's an online class, and it'll save there for you. So now let's look at the next page, the yoga schedule. So that was your yoga library. The yoga schedule is where you will make a plan for yourself. So you can set up goals for each day of the week, such as what type of class you want to do or what type of yoga workout you want to do. And then you can set your schedule. So this will always show the current week. This will auto update. So this is the week of Feb 6th. And yeah, so it'll show you the whole week. Here it will show you the whole month, and then the whole quarter here. Again, will auto update, and then it's got each day of the week. It's sorted by day of the week, so it's all in order. You can see all your classes there. You can see your classes in a calendar view here. I'll just open a card really quick. Yeah, so you can put all the info in there. So the date, and you'll put the day of the week so it sorts here in order. You can choose the class. So this links to the library, so you can auto pull in any workout from the library here, and then it will auto update all of these fields: how long the class is, the type, the purpose, the body part, intensity, etc. And the equipment is also something you can put in. What equipment do you need? The URL. And then once you finished it, you can check this off. This box, and then you can input your calories burned in total minutes if that's something you want to track. And I'll talk more about that in a moment. So we'll go to the progress tracker page, and this is where you can track your weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annual progress for your yoga workouts. So you can set goals here. I have set up 6 goals here at the top. I do have in the tutorial video embedded within this template how to update these. So if you don't want to measure one of these, you want to measure something else, you can totally change it. But these are what I've set up. So it will keep auto updating. This is for the whole year. Your goal as you have input it, your actual and your variance, and then just a progress bar to show how your progress is. And then below that, you can view every day of the week, every day of the year, and you can view your classes, your total classes, calories burned, minutes, weight loss, etc. This is all aligned. These measurements and progress is aligned with these. It's all the same. So they will update here, and then below that, you can view it on a monthly basis for the same categories, and then on a quarterly basis for the same categories. So you can track all your progress. And that is it for the yoga tracker.